Hitting that like Kato, why you do that?
I fuck up that second and go get it back. Some shit I was taught as a young.
For real.
My little bitch a brat, I told her relax. I'm too busy chasing this money. My niggas some apes, they strut with them drakes. Just know we grew up in the dungeon. My nickname Houdini, they callin' it magic. The way I turn nothing to.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Big Rambo, the OG Rambo, and I got another banger for you guys today. Today, I want to talk about demo accounts and demo accounts only. Now, yes, this is a controversial topic. Some people feel like you should do demo. Some people should feel like I messed that up. Some people feel like you shouldn't do demo, and some people feel like you should. So I'm gonna give you my take on a demo account. I personally don't think you should do demo unless you are a very new beginner, as in like you just found out about Forex. You probably might be in a IML, or you found someone on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok that you just came across Forex, so you make a demo account. Other than that's really the only thing I can see doing a demo account. Like, unless you are new, other than that, like if you've been trading, you need to be on a live account. I'm sorry, just because we know Forex is 90% psychology, you need to be trading your live capital. So let me break down the pros and cons for you. So one pro would be new beginners. New beginners can play on it. Meaning, if, like I just said, if you're very new, you don't know anything about Forex. So you watch a couple videos, make you a demo account, see how it works for a broker as far as unregulated, regulated, whichever so you choose. And I want you to just play on it. Like you gotta play on it, know the buttons, buy, sell, know how to equip indicators, know how to exit a trade, close partials, know how to set a stop loss, know how to set take profit. Like, new beginners can play on it. I personally use it for the second reason and the third reason, which is it's great for strategy testing. If you come across a strategy that you're very interested in, you feel like can work in your craft, test it out on demo. Don't get on live trying to do it and you know it's not for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you know that's not the trade for you, like not the style for you, so I should say, I wouldn't do it on a live account. I would do it on the demo just to test it out. Maybe back test with it on a demo and see, like, during that week if the strategy works out. So take 10 trades using that strategy on the demo, see how many you won, see how many you lost, see if the strategy works for you. My favorite way to use a demo account is to prevent me from having FOMO. So this comes in because we have a habit of, we don't want to take a trade on our live account because maybe we're scared to take that trade. We don't even want to risk it. Like, you can risk small. Like, you can put a penny lot on a live account, but some people don't even want to do that. They're like, I don't know if this trade's gonna work out. I will personally go to my demo and take the trade on my demo. This tricks your mind. It tricks your mind thinking you know. Of course, you're gonna be like, oh, I took it on demo, but you took the trade. So you can't say you didn't take the trade. You took the trade. You just didn't take it on your live. You took it on your demo. That's not a problem. Like, that's okay. You're not experiencing FOMO because you took the trade. So it's just a psychology trick to me, and that's what I use it for. If I don't want to risk my own capital on a trade that I'm not so sure about, especially like a very risky trade, I should say, a very, very risky trade. Like, it could go either way. Like, we're in a consolidation and it can definitely go either or, but I don't want to miss the opportunity. So in my mind, I'll be like, I'm gonna take it, and I'll take it. So let's jump into the cons. The cons. This is why I don't want to preach a demo account, because it is definitely horrible for your psychology, because it plays into all the other two. You won't take it serious, and you'll become a demo demon. I call demo demons those who get on a demo account and absolutely kill it. I will post a screenshot of one of my demo accounts I'm gonna post it somewhere in the video, and you will see like I was a demo demon, and that was an old picture. Like that picture is like year 1 month maybe 4 or 5 when actually crypto was booming, because I started in like 2020 during the crypto boom. So I was a demo demon. I didn't take it serious. I was throwing. You're gonna throw out of this world lot sizes on your demo because you don't care. You're and most people don't understand when you do a demo. If you want to practice seriously and take it seriously, you need to practice on a demo account size that you would put in the live. So don't go for a 100K account demo if you're not gonna put 100K in your live account. Do maybe the 1,000, 3,000, 500, or 100. You can go as low as 100 on the demo. So take it seriously. That's what I would say. If you're gonna do a demo, take it seriously, because we have that effect not to take it seriously. It's horrible for psychology. Like that's why I say I would suggest you throw maybe $50, $20 in a live account at minimum if you can. Like sacrifice a $20 bill. Like you probably would lose it. You might lose it, but it's gonna help your psychology in the long run. Just trade penny lots, trade 0.01, and just work on your psychology when you trade, because I want you guys to understand this trading is psychology. The charts, it doesn't matter. Like you're gonna get the charts like that. I promise you. I promise you. You put in the time and study, you're going to get the charts like that. But your psychology will not progress as fast as those charts will. It will not progress as fast. You're gonna see a rejection, a long ass rejection, and not know if I should exit or should I stay in the trade. You're gonna risk a certain amount. Oh, I don't know if I should stay in it. Should I get out? Like it, you got to work on the psychology. So I don't preach a demo unless you are a very new beginner. But if you're in like, I want to say maybe 6 months in, because you can dedicate 2 hard weeks of studying Forex and understand the concept of it. So I'd say 6 months maximum of a demo account, and I would suggest going to a live. Now I am going to make videos about live accounts and the psychology behind that, and then funded accounts. I want to make them all separate. I want to give them their own video so you guys really understand and take the time to grasp the concept of it. And that's really it on this video. I just want you guys to understand demo accounts. It's a love and hate thing with them. I know one of my mentors, he preach a demo account. Another mentor of mine, he doesn't. Like he feels you should be on a live account working on your psychology. My other one feels like, oh yeah, go do a demo. Just work on your demo. Like, so it's a very controversial thing. So I would say do what's best for you at the end of the day. I'm just giving you my opinion and my take on it. But yeah, so I'm gonna throw out another couple videos probably, especially about the live account and the funded accounts. And I just want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you think about a demo account. I really want to know what you guys think about demo accounts. Do you feel like they are beneficial? Do you hate them? Do you love them? Like, let me know, guys. So that's all I got for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.